Greetings everyone. Today, 14th of November is a very precious day for each and every child of our country. Children await this day with great eagerness. This day is very special for DAV Nagraj Public School too. Our school celebrates this day with great pomp and show. And for this, we have a very beautiful message by our respected principal ma'am. And the program of Children's Day will be followed after this.
The children of today will make the country of tomorrow. The way we bring them up will determine the future of the country, said Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, whose birthday falls today. We affectionately call him Chacha Nehru. My dear students, on behalf of the DAV management and teachers, I wish you a very happy Children's Day. Every child is a miracle, with each one of you being unique to make this world a better place to live. Child is the father of man, rightly said William Wordsworth. A child will always behold this world with wonder and joy and carry this great wonder into his adulthood. See this world as a beautiful place to nurture the child in you. In the blink of an eye, COVID-19 happened and set us on a course that wasn't planned. We had to imagine the change before we moved towards it. Despite it all, the pandemic didn't dampen our spirits to celebrate this special day with our dear children. Dear parents and teachers, the greatest legacy we can pass on to the next generation is neither power nor money. It is the legacy of character and faith. Give the children roots of strong character and wings of freedom. On this special day, dear children, seize the moment. Enjoy the fruits of childhood. Make your teachers, your parents, your school and nation proud. I see hope in your shining faces. I see promise in your radiant eyes. May life give you the best you aspire for and stay blessed. Wishing you success in all the
सुप्रभात। आज वो दिन है जिसका हर बच्चे को इंतजार रहता है। जैसे कि आप सभी लोग जानते हैं, 14 नवंबर को पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू की जन्म दिवस की स्मृति में चिल्ड्रंस डे मनाया जाता है, जिन्हें बच्चे चाचा नेहरू कहकर पुकारते थे। चाचा नेहरू बच्चों को सबसे प्रिय थे। सभी शिक्षकगण की तरफ से सभी बच्चों को बाल दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। तो आइए एक खूबसूरत सी सुबह की खूबसूरत शुरुआत करते हैं। बाल दिवस पर प्यारे बच्चों के लिए प्रेम से भरा प्रस्तुतिकरण।
Happy Children's Day, my dear students. On this Children's Day, I would like to wish you a very, very happy Children's Day. You know, we celebrate Children's Day on occasion of birthday of our Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of India. You know, once he said that I may not have time for adults, but I have plenty of time for children. Because he loved children so much. And we all do the same. Love you a lot. Happy Children's Day once again, my dear. And God bless you. Be happy. Be safe. Thank you.
दबी दबी सी हंसी होठों पे फंसी है, गुदगुदी कर रही हवा, हल्ला मचा रही है पागल सी ख्वाहिशें, खुशियों की मिली है वजह। कुछ है जुनून सा, कुछ पागलपन है, तो बातें करता ये बुद्धू सा मन है। कुछ है जुनून सा, कुछ पागलपन है, सो बातें करता ये बुद्धू सा मन है।
हेलो बच्चों, हैप्पी चिल्ड्रंस डे। आप हैं तो हम टीचर्स हैं। बचपन के दिन सबसे अच्छे दिन, सबसे प्यारे दिन। वंस अगेन हैप्पी चिल्ड्रंस डे। बाय बाय। बच्चों के लिए एक पैगाम है। मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, राहों को सरल बनाना। मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, राहों को सरल बनाना, परिश्रम से कभी न घबराना। आओ हम सभी बच्चे मिलकर वादा करें, शिक्षा से एक नए भारत का निर्माण करेंगे।
Dear children, I wish you all a very happy Children's Day. God bless you all. Live your childhood with happiness, joy, peace and God's blessings. On the occasion of Children's Day, I would like to tell you all that you all are special in a special way. I would also like to tell you all that you all are the reason for all our smiles and all our happiness. On the auspicious day, I would also like to dedicate a lovely song to you all titled Itti Si Hansi from the movie Barfi. So let's sing. इत्ती सी हंसी, इत्ती सी खुशी, एक टुकड़ा चांद का, ख्वाबों के तिनकों से चल बनाए आशियां। इत्ती सी हंसी, इत्ती सी खुशी, एक टुकड़ा चांद का, ख्वाबों के तिनकों से चल बनाए आशियां। इत्ती सी हंसी, इत्ती सी खुशी, एक टुकड़ा चांद का, ख्वाबों के तिनकों से चल बनाए आशियां। दबे दबे पाँव से आए हौले हौले जिंदगी, होठों पे कुंडी चढ़ा के हम ताले लगा के चल गुमसुम तराने, चुप के गाए दिया दी बात ले, आजा दिल की ये ज़मीं। थोड़ा सा तेरा भी होगा, थोड़ा मेरा भी होगा, अपना ये आशियां। इत्ती सी हंसी, इत्ती सी खुशी, एक टुकड़ा चांद का, ख्वाबों के तिनकों से चल बनाए आशियां। इत्ती सी हंसी, इत्ती सी खुशी, एक टुकड़ा चांद का, ख्वाबों के तिनकों से चल बनाए आशियां। Thank you.
दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा, चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा। दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा।
Every child is a different kind of flower, and all together make this world a beautiful garden. Now next, let's see what our teachers have to say about the children.
Hi kids, do you know why you are so special? You are the most beautiful creation of God.
You are the future of nation.
You are unique.
देखो इन्हें, ये है ओस की बूंदें, पत्तों की गोद में आसमां से कूदे, अंगड़ाई ले फिर करवट बदल कर, नाजुक से मोती हंस दे फिसल कर, खो न जाए ये
Hello kids, on this very special day, I wish everyone a very happy Children's Day. And on this occasion, I would like to give you a message through a puppet act. So here it begins. There were 4 burning candles in a room. Suddenly, they started talking. The first candle said, "I am peace. The world is full of anger and fighting. Nobody can keep calm." So the flame of peace went off. Then the second candle said, "I am faith. I am no longer in this universe." So the flame of faith went off. Then sadly, the third candle said, "I am love. People don't understand my importance. They simply put me aside. They forget to love those who are nearest to them." And so the flame of love went off too. Then a girl enters the room and she saw the 3 unlit candles. Then she said, "Why aren't you burning? You are supposed to burn till the end." Then the 4th candle answered, "Don't be afraid. I am hope. While I am still burning, you can lit up these 3 unlit candles." So the girl took the 4th candle, that is hope, and lit up the 3 unlit candles. So my dear children, always keep in mind that the flame of hope should never go off from your life. And with hope, you can live a life with peace, faith, and love. In short, I would say that the moral of this act is that with hope, be deaf to negative thoughts if you have to achieve your goal. Thank you. Again, I wish each and every lovely children a very happy Children's Day. God bless you all. Thank you.
Hello my dear children, happy Children's Day to everyone. A small dedicated song presented by me. I hope children you will enjoy. We love you children from all our hearts. 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 You are the shining stars and gift of God. You are the shining stars and gift of God. You are the children best of all. You are the children best of all. You are the light of darkness, and we pray for your brightness. You are the children we want you to shine. You are the children we want you to fly. We love you children from all our hearts. We love you children from all our hearts. Happy Children's Day to all of you. Happy Children's Day to all of you.
मोहल्ले की रौनक गलियां है जैसे, खिलने की जिद पर कलियां है जैसे, मुट्ठी में मौसम की जैसे हवाएं, ये है बुजुर्गों के दिल की दुआएं। खो न जाए ये